साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अथ सूर्याधर्वाङ्गिरसंव्याख्यास्यामः।
ब्रह्मा ऋषिः
गायत्री छन्दः
आदित्यो देवता
हंसः सोऽहमग्निनारायणयुक्तं बीजम्
निर्लेखा शक्तिः
प्रियदादिसर्गसंयुक्तं कीलकम्
चतुर्विध पुरुषार्थसिद्ध्यर्थे विनियोगः
षट्स्वरारूपेण बीजेन षडङ्गं रक्ताम्बुजसंस्थितं सप्ताश्वरधिनं हिरण्यवर्णं चतुर्भुजं पद्मद्वयाभयवरदहस्तं कालचक्रप्रणेतारं श्रीसूर्यनारायणं य एवं वेद स वै ब्राह्मणः।
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि
धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
सूर्य आत्मा जगतस्तस्तुषश्च
सूर्याद्वै कल्पिमानि भूतानि जायन्ते
सूर्याजन्यः पञ्चजन्योन्नमात्मा
नमस्ते आदित्य
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं कर्म कर्तासि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं विष्णुरसि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं रुद्रोऽसि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं मृगसि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं यजुरसि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं सामासि
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षमथर्वासि
त्वमेव सर्वं छन्दोसि
आदित्याद् वायुर्जायते
आदित्याद् भूमिर्जायते
आदित्यादापो जायन्ते
आदित्याद् ज्योतिर्जायते
आदित्याद् व्योमदिशो जायन्ते
आदित्याद् देवा जायन्ते
आदित्याद् वेदा जायन्ते
मण्डलं तपति
प्रसावादित्यो ब्रह्मा
आदित्योऽन्तःकरणमनो बुद्धिचित्ताहङ्कारा
आदित्यो वै ज्ञानः समानो दानो पानः प्राणः
आदित्यो वै श्रोत्रत्वक्चक्षुरसः
आदित्यो वै वाक्पाणिपादपायूपस्थाः
आदित्यो वै शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धाः
आदित्यो वै वचनादानागमनविसर्गानन्दाः
आनन्दमयो विज्ञानमयो विज्ञानघन आदित्यः
नमो मित्राय भानवे मृत्योर्मापाहि
प्रायिष्णवे विश्वहेतवे नमः
सूर्यात् भवन्ति भूतानि सूर्येण पालितानि तु
सूर्ये लयं प्राप्नुवन्ति यः सूर्यसोऽहमेव च
चक्षुर्नो देवः सविता चक्षुर्नभूत पर्वतः
चक्षुर्धाता ददातु नः
आदित्याय विद्महे सहस्रकिरणाय धीमहि
तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्
सविता पुरस्तात् सविता पश्चात्तात् सवितोत्तरात् सविता धरात् सविता नः सुमतु सर्वदादिगुं सविता नो रासतां दीर्घमायुः
ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्मा
कृणिलिति द्वे अक्षरे
सूर्य इत्यक्षरद्वयम्
आदित्यमिति त्रीण्यक्षराणि
एतस्यैव सूर्यस्याक्षरो मनुः
यः सदा हर हर जपति स वै ब्राह्मणो भवति स वै ब्राह्मणो भवति
सूर्याभिमुखो जप्त्वा महाव्याधिभयात् प्रमुच्यते
अलक्ष्मीर्नश्यति
अभक्ष्यभक्षणात् पूतो भवति
अगम्यागमनात् पूतो भवति
पतितसम्भाषणात् पूतो भवति
असत्सम्भाषणात् पूतो भवति
मध्याह्ने सूर्याभिमुखः पठेत्
सद्योत्पन्न पञ्चमहापातकात् प्रमुच्यते
सैषा सावित्रीं विद्यां न किञ्चिदपि न कस्मैचित् प्रशंसयेत्
य एतां महाभाग प्रातः पठति स भाग्यवान् जायते पशून् विन्दति
वेदार्थं कवते
त्रिकालमेतत् जप्त्वा क्रतुशतफलमवाप्नोति
हस्तादित्ये जगति स महामृत्युं तरति स महामृत्युं तरति
य एवं वेद
इत्युपनिषत्
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ घृणि सूर्य आदित्य ॐ घृणि सूर्य आदित्य ॐ घृणि सूर्य आदित्य refer to Krishna, you use the word Ghanashyama. When you enter this place, the first thing you heard in the morning, you hear in the morning, Ghanashyama Sundara. That's the first one. First word you hear when you happen to enter a little bit early is Ghanashyama Sundara. What is Ghanashyama? You use the word Shyama. Ghanashyama Sundara. Any revelations? Ghana means?
Dense.
Dense.
Dense Syama
Dense. Dense Shyama. Any other thoughts? Ghanashyama, right? We use the word very common, Ghanashyama. Ghana means depth. When you look at the sky, does it have a color? It's a tricky question. You never looked up. Does the sky have a color? Yes. What color it appears? Blue. It appears blue only when there is light. Otherwise, dark. What color? Black. Huh? Does sky really have color? No. But what does sky have? Sky is basically space, isn't it? It's depth. It's deep. Because of that, it appears to have color. When there is light, it appears blue, deep blue in color. Because of the... Hello, simple question of physics. Scattering of the light, come on. Physics, simple physics. Because of the scattering of the light, the sky looks blue in color. When there is no light, because there is no scattering, it appears dark, deep, black in color. Shyama means that. Shyama means black, utter black, Shyama, or blue. You can't distinguish the deep navy blue from the deep black. They are indistinguishable, isn't it? Now, that Ghanashyama means this is not just black in color. Because of the depth of him, he appears to be black. Otherwise, he is so deep in his, that's the people that look dark like me don't feel bad. Black is an incredible color, It's a great color because you can't, you can put anything on it, it doesn't turn. But white is not like that. Little bit, this thing is there, then it looks ugly already. Black, whatever you do with it, nothing happens. Huh? So deep in its perception, nothing happens to it. Huh? So, this depth is referred to as Ghana. Ghana Patha means the lesson in depth. How is it going in depth? You are constantly revealing the mantra deep and deep and deep, layer after layer after layer. You are removing layer after layer after layer. Not just like that. You are removing it in a pattern with a rhythm. So it takes you deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. See, without that depth, the first thing that is required is that depth, that inner connection to the source is required. Then what happens is that inner connection to that radiance or the depth, that in that heat and the light that is so much inside you is referred to as a Grini. Grini means that. Grini means the deep radiance that is within you, which is also referred to as Ojasvi, Ojasu. That is what is actually needed first. From that Ojas, the Grini, the effulgence comes out, radiates out. That is Tejasvi, that is Surya. When that radiance comes out, it spreads all over the directions infinitely, abundantly, and that is Aditya. Boundless, Aditya. First is Grini, Surya, Aditya. Ojasvi, Tejasvi, Tapasvi. Ojasvi, Tejasvi, Tapasvi. See how it is related? Grini, Surya, Aditya. Grini means first your inner radiance. Surya, your external radiance. Aditya is infinite. And that's the reason why the radiance is infinite. It is spreading all over the place. So, what is the point of chanting Grini, Surya, Aditya? What is the prayojanam? You have to ask. Nowadays, you cannot do anything without asking, what is it in for me? That's the bottom line. Equation is, what is it in for me? That's a question when you ask about inner enquiry is a fantastic question, because that is what is required. That inquiry, E-I-N-Q-U-I-R-Y, is what is required rather than enquiry. Who are you? Where did you come from? How much cash? What options and all that stuff is enquiry. Who am I? What's the purpose of my life? Why am I coming to Veda class? Wasting my time at 6:30. What's the use for me in going to this Veda class? Is inquiry. You come here because you want to inquire. I come here because I want to inquire. Not because I am so great, I want to teach something, I am not coming here. That is not the purpose of my coming here. My purpose of my coming here is this satsang that helps me connect to that inner radiance. And that is the Grini. That is so deep in its nature. And that Grini is related to Ghana. Grini, Ghana. They are both etymologically derived from each other. So this Grini is, when you are saying Grini, Surya, Aditya, before that you say Om, Grini, Surya, Aditya. Om is the fundamental, primordial thing, that is the bija. And from there is coming this radiance, Grini. And then there is coming the outer radiance, because if you are inner connected, it is obvious for people to see you and recognize, oh, this guy is connected, he is aware. When a person is aware of themselves, just by looking at them you can say the person is connected. Because what? It automatically radiates outside. That is Tejas. Inside is Ojas. Outside is Tejas. And what is all pervading is Tapas. And the Tapas is that you are constantly yearning to be of use for somebody else. That is Aditya. When you are constantly yearning to be of use for somebody else other than yourself, that is not the small I, not the big I. At the end of the day, the equation is everything is you only, right? Then who are you being useful for? You. Yourself only. Not for any others. Veda class is not to transform you. For me, it is to transform myself. What is the use of it is that ultimately, when you yearn to see, when you are yearning to see that you want to, for example, last night I was sharing with some people, if Adi Shankara has not determined to take his Tejas and the Ojas to the outside world, today we would not be having so many scriptures that have been, so many stotras, so many incredible things that he has given to, it wouldn't be there, isn't it? Would it be there? No. We wouldn't be chanting all these great stotras that we chant every day with bhakti, they won't be there. If Vasinya, the Vak Devatas, have not, out of their infinite compassion, not describe the mother Lalita, today we would not have Lalita Sahasranama. If Krishna, out of his compassion, has not shared his wisdom with Krishna, with Arjuna, today we would not have Bhagavad Gita. See? Did they want to do it because they want to show off? No. They wanted to share their compassion. When Adi Shankara sat in that Mukambika Kshetra, that, what's the place where it is? Mukambika? Huh? Kolhapur is Kollur. Kollur, yeah, Kollur. In Mukambika Kshetram there was no Vigraha of the mother. It was Adi Shankara who actually sat there in tapas and seen in his deep meditation Then he prays to the mother, "Mother, why don't you appear in the form here?" Then she says, "I am formless. Here I am Nirguna." Then he begs her. He says, "No, everybody has to see your form. Please, show your form." Then he says, "Okay, if you want to do it, you have a vigraha and do the pratisthapana." Then when he opens the eyes, see these great Maha Yogis, their thought itself, as soon as the thought comes, it materializes. There is no need for them to think of something, no planning, strategy and all that stuff. How do we attract people to come to Sai Center? They don't do all that stuff. The moment their love, as soon as their love radiates, people get attracted by it. That is what we need to be doing. Not do marketing. Adi Shankara didn't have to, because of his compassion, you see, as soon as he begged the mother and he opens the eyes in meditation, a Silpi passes by. Then he says, "Okay, let's go get a stone," and then he describes to the Silpi in words how she looked, and then the Mookambika's form comes into picture. How powerful that is. So his Grini translated out as the form of the mother in his deep meditation. He could have said, "Oh, I enjoyed it, very beautiful, go home." Today would we have the beautiful mother Mookambika in front of us? She was hiding in the form of a small rekha on the lingam that is in the kshetram. And that Mookambika, I was telling the story of how the Mookambika came into the name came into existence. There was a demon that was in that place, and this guy was doing Ghora tapas for Shiva. And then Shukracharya advises him, this time when Shankara comes, make sure that you also include women, that you cannot be defeated by even women. Because every time Mahishasura asked for immortality, but he forgot women. And boom, she comes in the form of a woman and kills. Like the story of all these demons is, they have some kind of contract, there is some leakage will be there, and you get hold of that leakage, and then the God comes and executes his action. So like that, Hiranyakashipu, everybody you can see that, right? So this guy, he was advised by his guru, Shankara comes, don't forget to ask that you cannot be even killed by a woman. Then all the devatas were afraid. What happens if Shankara is like that guy, he gives everything, only giving, no taking. So then when he is out of the tapas and he is the Shankara is there and he was about to ask the boon, the devatas go and pray to the mother, please, he is going to include you also in the boon, make sure that, this doesn't happen. Then she says, "Don't worry, I have a plan." And he was about to ask the boon, she mutes him. Time expires, Shankara disappears. The tapas is, only few fractions of a second. Swami won't come in the dream forever. The moment you are disturbed by something, the dream disappears, Swami is gone, isn't it? Does he say, wait? He won't wait. It's gone. It is darshan. It is so precious that you have to open your eyes and keep looking. He'll come and you will have a fraction of a second, boom, he's gone. That's the way it is. So the same thing happens here. And this guy becomes mute. Mooka. And when he became mute, he starts stampeding all over the place. He becomes a Bhayankara Rakshasa. And then finally she only has to come and kill. When she was about to, in the great battle that happens between her and him after, few hundreds of years, because these guys lived for hundreds, thousands of years during those time, because their bodies and their Ayush was so high, so Krishna was 75, 80 years old when he was in the battlefield. And Bhishma was 150 odd years old when he was in the battlefield. And his body was 15 feet or whatever, how much ever it is that Swami describes in some of the discourses. For 6 months, blood was draining out of the body, but he was still alive. Ampasaya, when he was, for 6 months, when he slept on it, the blood was leaking all for 6 months, but he was still alive. Now, with all the, the age and everything the size and the age, everything got declined because Papa started increasing and their Punya started decreasing. So people's Ayurdayam and their stability, ability, everything got declining, like Dow Jones. So, So basically this Bhayankara Yuddham was going on. She was about to, she gets hold of his hair and she was about to use the chakram to kill this demon. And when this was happening, he looks at her eyes with lot of dainyam, pleadingly. And then he says, "Oh mother, please don't kill me, I will behave from now on." Inside he was asking, because he was mukha, right? He couldn't speak. He was praying inside his heart, "I have transformed now, I won't do this mistake." Just like when in our own home, like my mother, when she'll get hold of me when I was making lot of noise which was obvious, and she was about to hit me, I would say, "Oh Amma, please don't do this, I won't do it again." And then the mother will leave, "Okay, poda. She wouldn't hit. Father not like that. Adi. And mother's compassion is so much that even when the child, such a bad child, when he prays, "Don't kill me," then she wouldn't kill. She says, "Oh, this poor fellow. That's okay, he made a mistake." Immediately the compassion, that's the reason why she is Jaganmata, mother. And so much of compassion. Kuputro jayeta kvachidapi kumata na bhavati. There can be a bad son in this world, but there cannot be a bad mother. Kuputro jayeta kvachidapi kumata na bhavati. It's a beautiful stotram called Devi Aparadha Kshamapana Stotram. Shankaracharya says, "Vidherajnanena dravina virahenala videya sekyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut tadeta kshantavyam janani sakalodharini sive kuputro jayeta kvajidapi kumata na bhavati pruthivyam putraste janani bhavassanti sarala parantesham madhye virala viraloham tava sutah madiyoyam tyagas samuchitamidam no tava sive kuputro jayeta kvajidapi kumata na bhavati parityakta deva vividhatara seva kulutaya maya panchasite radhikam apanite tu vayasi idanim chen matastava yadi krupanapi bhavita niralambo lambodara janani kam yami sharanam shvapako jalpako bhavati madhupako magira niratanko ranko viharati chirang koti kanakai tava parne karne vishati manuvarne phalamidam janakko janite janani japaniyan japavidho." In that he says shvapako jalpako bhavati madhupako magira, all kinds of bad things, everything that is not even imaginable I have done bad in this world. But the moment you say one syllable of the name of the mother, her compassion flows. Not even, you don't even have to say Amma. You have to say just the first fraction of the sound of A is enough, her compassion flows. That's the mother's love is so incredible. It is indescribable. And doesn't matter whether she has one child or 15 children, the love is equally distributed. No, even if 15 children are there, mother's love for the first child or the last child, it is the same. So this Mukha Asura, we were coming to this story, then she becomes compassionate. She wouldn't kill, but now she also makes him unmuted. Now he is able to talk. He says, "Okay, tell me what boon she wants," she asks. Because his prayer was so heartful. And then he says, "Amma, this is the place where you have blessed me. Here, let you be worshipped as Mookambika." That's how the name came into existence, as Mookambika. Okay. And that she says, "That's fine, but I cannot be seen in form." She will hide on the Shivalinga as just a rekha matra, a line, the Shakti. That's how. Who discovered all of this? Shankaracharya in his meditation. And when he finds it out, he compassionately asks the mother that everybody should be able to see her, not just him. So the point of this is, the compassion of the Guru is such that he bestows everything to the people that he comes across. He wouldn't just keep it to himself. Some experience comes and you share the experience, not because you are great about it. Who is behind the experience? You are highlighting the greatness of that divinity that is behind that experience, which is Swami. Right? When you share this Anubhava, the experience, Anubhuti, how much lecture you give, bata on your intellectual this thing, in Swami, if you don't share that experience of Swami, the whole lecture, what, this guy talked forever, but there was no experience of Swami, it doesn't look. Why? The sweetness is that experience, that bhakti, that anubhuti. that anubhava, that when shared by the bhakta, the divinity comes in form. Otherwise the divinity is Nirgunam, Niranjanam, Sanatanam, Niketanam, Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Nirmala Swarupinam. And the divinity, because it doesn't have all these gunas, it cannot be experienced by bhakta. The moment you share the anubhuti, that divinity becomes manifested in this thing. So the experience has that beautiful, oh, I am deeply meditative, sir, I don't care about all these experiences, and some people think that it is some greatness. No, ayyo. It is not about you, fellow. It is about God. Who cares whether you had the experience? When you highlight the experience, you are highlighting the divinity. You are underscoring him. Otherwise, God won't say, hey, share this experience. Swami does that, right? You think Swami needs some kind of certification that is divinity, that he says, oh, share this experience by a devotee? No. Because sometimes he himself cannot explain himself, because he is beyond himself. It's because that's what he says, how can you dare try to understand me? There is no way to understanding God. It's only experiencing him. There is no understanding. So this Ghana Patham is to go deep by deep in layer after layer after layer, so that Brahmana Koshoshi Medhayapi Hitaha. You heard that mantra? Everybody knows that? Om Yachandasam Rushabho Vishwarupaka Chandobho Ojamruta Sambhabhuva Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. That Indra, which is the supreme Brahman, the Omkaram, let it stimulate my intellect. So that starting with Omkar, Yat Chandasam Rushabho Vishwarupaha Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Petam Srutam Me Gopaya Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishnu Brahmana Kosha. When the Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishnuam, when your tongue started saying the mantra, then your ears also hear the same mantra. When it is chanted by so many people, your tongue is speaking Madhumattama, what not ordinarily, sweetly. And then what happens? The sweetness, then also you smell with your nose, you taste with your nose, and you smell with your tongue also. You know that? This is neurobiology, I won't go into that, it's too much here. You can actually smell with your tongue, and you can taste with your nose, and you can also taste with your ears. Akarna Amrutam. Amrutam is when it is heard, Amrutam can be tasted, Amrutam can be smelled. All at once it can happen. So that's what he is describing. All that means what? That means not tasting avakai, smelling avakai. That's not what it is. It is really all your senses are focused towards enjoying the sweetness of the name of the God. When that happens, then slowly all the sheaths start breaking up. So when you are hearing the Vedam, that's the reason why people, if they cannot chant, it is enough for them to hear. Why? Because even when Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishwam, then when it goes inside, it goes layer after layer after layer. Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pigitaha. Brahman is now covered by sheath after sheath after sheath. And this intellect uses as a instrument, as a tool, and it removes layer after layer after layer, so that the intellect finally connects with the Brahman. There is no description at that point. That's it. That is not describable. What is describable? This experience is describable, but not the ultimate point of destination is not explainable. How do you get to that? Only through bhakti and anushtana. You have to chant, you have to hear, you have to be able to do the Sravanam, Kirtanam, all that stuff. The last piece, not explainable. Any questions, comments? When will we get to Ghanapatam is the question. Grini Surya, brother asked last class, what is the meaning of Grini? Honestly speaking, I went on Google and I couldn't find it. You can try it yourself. You tried?
I tried. I couldn't find it.
There was no description on Google what Grini means.
Not only Google, Sanskrit dictionaries also I tried few of them.
Ah,
Nowhere I could find the.
that is the beauty of it. The only thing is you have to put the petition in front of it. No, I could be totally wrong in explaining what it is, but this is what came in my meditation. Grini is ojas, the inner radiance. Surya is the effulgence, the external radiance. Aditya is infinite, the expansion radiance. Tejas, ojas, tapas. Ojas, tejas, tapas. The reason why Surya is infinitely showering his effulgence is out of compassion. Kanduvagu heenadi kamulindu levu Andariki Srihare Antaratma Indulo Jantu Kulamanta Vakate Andariki Srihare Antaratma Hare Antaratma Srihare Antaratma Tandananahi. Antaratma is that Grini. Antaratma, that connection. Yeah? Kari meeda ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఉండొకే పుడమి శునకము మీద పొడయు నిండొకటే. That yenda means the sunlight, whether it is a magnanimous grandiose elephant or it is a street dog, on both of them the sunlight that is falling is the same, and that is the love of the God. Same thing, love of the God has no distinction between a Shankaracharya and a Chandala. So much so that the Shankaracharya has to be given that. Of course, we say that the Chandala himself is a Shankara. How do I know? But only Shankara knows. What I know is the story. He is walking on the Ganges, and then the Chandala comes across. He asks, hey, go away from me. And then he asks one simple question. Who are you asking to go? Is it this body or is it the Atman? If it is this body, how is it of relevance to you? But if it is the Atman, how can it come or go? It is eternal and permanent. Simple answer. Huh? That was the awakening moment for the great Adi Shankara. So, Ghanapatham, the purpose is that, brothers and sisters. The Ghanapatham is, Ghana means depth. You have to go deep and deep and deep and deep. And let's chant Gananantva and then go into the Ganapatham.
Gananantva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravasthamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashunvannotivis Siddha Sadhanam Prano Devi Saraswati Madhebhir Vajinivati Dhinamavitrayavatu Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Gananam Tva Gananam Tva Ganapatim Tva Gananam Tva Ganapatim Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Ganapatim Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Ganapati Gum Havamahe Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Gum Havamahe Ganapatim गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति गणपतिम् हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवः
All the NYC people, one more time we'll chant for the NYC National Youth Conference devotees. One more time.
गणानां त्वा गणानां त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणानां त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिं गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे गणपतिं गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति गणपतिम् हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवः
The next three words. So you need to figure out what are the three words in which you are saying the ghana. Next three words are Jyeshtarajam Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam. When you are saying it as ghana, it is Brahmanaha. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanaha. Then Brahmanaha goes as Brahmanam. Brahmano, Brahman, because it is said in continuity, Brahmanaha is Visarga, it is a pause there. Instead of that you say Brahmano. So 1, 2, 2, 1. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 1. That's what I said. Okay. One more time.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam.
1, 2, 2, 1. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Brahmanam.
So here there is a little bit of intricacy. The Jyeshtarajam and Brahmanam, the swaram changes little bit. When you are going up, Jyeshtarajam, when you are coming down, Jeshtarajam. Okay, there is swaram intricacy. For example, Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam. See, the coming down, going up, it is Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanam, coming down. 1 2 2 1. So just listen, pay attention to it. Going up, Jeshtarajam is Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam. Right? Like that. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam. Okay.
Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam.
See how beautiful this is now, Ghana, going deep. Sanskrit is such an incredible, Veda mantras are so incredible that it doesn't matter however you shift them, the meaning doesn't change. Ramo Ravano Hataha, Hataha Ramo Ravanaha, Ravanaha Ramo Hataha, Ramo Ravano Hataha, meaning is the same. Rama killed Ravana. You cannot do it in English. Kill Ravana, Rama, doesn't work. Only in Sanskrit it works. Why? Because this is not a language that is constructed by a human being, not discovered by a human being. Unfortunately, I have to take the class in English only. So the explanation has to happen in English. But the beauty is Sanskrit is this Krutam, Samskritam. People, I believe in India still there is a town where people speak only Sanskrit. Still, there is a town. And near Shimoga in Karnataka, Sanketis live there. Maybe Kannadigas need to find it out, tell us about it. So, in this particular thing, Brahmanan Jeshtarajam, Jeshtarajam Brahmanam, same meaning only. You understand? Jeshtarajam Brahmanam. What does that mean? Jeshta means first. Rajam means king. For who? Brahmanam. Not a member of parliament or MLA. Useless positions. Not that. For Brahmanam he is Jeshtarajam, eldest of all the kings. See, when you contemplate on that, Jeshtarajam Brahmanam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam.
Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jeshtarajam.
Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jeshtarajam.
Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jeshtarajam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jeshtarajam.
Very good. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha.
Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanah. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanah.
Jeshtarajamiti Jeshta Rajam.
Jeshtarajamiti Jeshtarajam. Jeshtarajamiti Jeshtarajam.
Just a pause, okay? Little pause. Jeshtarajamiti Jeshta Rajam.
Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam.
Little pause again.
Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam.
Okay. See, now Rajam has to be said. Not like that. This is Rajam, high note. See, everything is the swara and the sahityam. They are both coming together like Ganga and Yamuna. This Triveni Sangamam is Ganga Yamuna together. But the Saraswati, the underneath, that is the contemplation, the meditation, that is the Ghanam. That is Veda Ucharana. Veda Pathanam is not like ordinary thing. The Swaram and see the Mantram are going together like Ganga and Yamuna. When they are flowing like that, there is Antarvahini. Inside you should have this awareness flowing also with that. Awareness of what? About what you are chanting. Not Chumma chanting. Awareness of what you are chanting. So that awareness comes what? Why does it go high? Because it's Rajam, highest of all the kings. So I will say the whole thing. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Brahmana. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmana Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshta Rajam. Okay, whole thing.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha Jyeshtarajamiti
One more time.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam.
Still the last. Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam. Okay.
Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam. Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshtarajam.
Sairam. People on phone, any questions? Last time somebody said, we want to ask question but we are in presentation mode, so papam, they are not able to be heard. I want to give an opportunity for people on the phone. Any questions? Okay. Yes, it's like Shankaracharya, that Shankara, giving darshan. You will have only few minutes, otherwise he will disappear to ask. Huh? Okay. Yes, Vijay.
So this format, right?
Yeah.
1 2 2 1, 1 2 3, 3 2 1, and 1 2 3.
1 2 2 1, 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 1 2 3.
1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
3. After that, this last line is the additional lines. In certain cases, we have
No.
this. Yeah, if you
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Jyeshtarajam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha.
1, 2, 3. That's
1, 2,
that's
3.
over. And this last line, that Jyeshtarajamiti Jyeshta, that only in certain cases it comes, right?
Yes.
That's what
I don't know the answer.
No. No, because if you are only looking at that pattern, you don't know when you need to have this, unless you learn it from
That's the trick part of it. Yes, you're right. You can't get lost in just continuing with the one. There is a so. If you look at even the previous lines, at half a line they are giving that almost. Ganapati miti Ganapatim, right? That's the one. Then the next one is Upamashravastamam, right? That's where they are giving it. So Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam. So Gananantva Ganapati Gum Havamahe. That yes, Sairam, question? Okay, going into presentation mode. So
Presentation mode is on. Only organizers can be heard.
yes, so you have to know when you are doing the break.
Break,
Yeah.
that's-
Okay. Next 3 words. What are those? What are the 3 words? So you are going to do one, two. The pattern is with 3 words. Huh? What are the next 3 words?
Brahmanam,
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 Brahmanam, Brahmano. Brahmanaspate cannot be 3rd word, no? I am asking what are the 3 words? Brahmanam, Brahmana, Pati. Brahmanaspate. Pate. Brahmanam, Brahmana, Pate. Brahmanahas Pate becomes Brahmanaspate. Understand? Sandhi. Brahmanaha Pate becomes Brahmanaspate. Brahmanam, Brahmana, Pate. Brahmanam, Brahmana, Pate. So that's so 1, 2, 2, 1. First let us do that. Next one. Brahmanam, Brahmano, 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 Brahmanam. That is 1, 2, 2, 1. Right? Brahmanam, Brahmano, Brahmano, Brahmanam. Brahmanam, Brahmanam, Brahmano, Brahmanam, Brahmanam, Brahmano, Brahmano, Brahmanam. So I'm sorry. First time it is up, second time flat, third time no is down, last time Brahmanam. Huh?
again Nam is down.
Now both ma is up and na is down.
Yes.
Brahmanam, Brahmano, Brahmano, Brahmanam. Brahmanam, Brahmanaspate, Pate, Brahmano, Brahmanam, Brahmanam, Brahmanaspate. Brahmana, 1, 2, 3 is Brahmanam, Brahmanaspate. That is 1, 2, 3. Brahmanam, Brahmanaspate. That is the 1, 2, 3. So when we are saying Brahmanam, Brahmanam, Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmano. Sorry. Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate. One more time. The last Brahmanam is a Brahmanam. That's the last one. Uma, one more time. You will get it. Once you get used to the pattern. You have to get used to the pattern. Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate. Very good. Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate. Okay, got it? What are the next three? What are the next three words?
Brahmanaha Pate A.
Brahmanaspata A. Those are the three. Brahmanaspata A. Brahmanaspate Pate Brahm. So 1 to 2 one is Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano.
Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano
Brahmanaspata Pate
Brahmanaspata
Pate Brahmana. Okay. So next one is 1 2 3 3 2 1 I am doing. Brahmanaspata Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata Pate Brahmano. Question? One A is not missing because they can't write A like that. It is inferred. So when you're see, look at how I am chanting. I am not saying Apate Apat. That's how I am saying, right? Brahmanaspata Apate Brahmano Brahmanaspata. Okay. Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanapata Pate Brahmano Brahmanapata. I'm extending the meter of the A by one small matra, like putting the talam. If you know how to do that, I'm doing 2 matras on the A instead of 1 matra. Brahmanaspata. Okay, first one is 1 2 2. Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata. See, it's like singing a song. Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanapata Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata.
Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata Pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata.
Everybody is off. So first, all the way until Apate, it is down. ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत
ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत.
Got it? No. What's the confusion? So just that's the reason why when you say Brahma Brahmanaspate pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata pate Brahmano. See how I'm doing it? Instead pate, I'm giving a hint there. Not but 2 times I'm doing okay? Brahmanaspate pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata pate Brahmano Brahmanaspata
ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत.
Got it? Let's do from Jyeshtarajam.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणः ज्येष्ठराजमिति ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पते ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत.
Brahmanaspate pate
ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत.
What are the next 3 words?
We have one more line, right, in that the last this thing. Pata pate pate nena.
That's the next 3 words.
No. The next 3 words is the next line.
No? Don't go by what is written in the text, brother. They have, for convenience sake, they put it like that. So, next 3 words. We completed 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, right? Brahmanaspata we completed 3. What are the next 3 words?
Pata pate.
Pata anaha. Those are pata anaha. Those are the thing. But naha doesn't come. When it is said, it comes as no or na, depending upon how you are saying it, right? So I'll watch my pata pate. Okay? That's 1, 2, 2, 1. Pata pate. Hello, say it. Pata
पते पतः पते.
Next one is 1, 2, 3, right? Pata no, na apate. Pata no, na apate. Everybody is on same line. Pata apate, pata no, na apate. Got it? Pata anaha, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Pata here also I am saying a as two matras rather than one matra, because 1 2 2 1, right? Pata a pate pata ano na a pate pata anakham. What happened? Power lost. Two. You didn't know. Pata pate pata ano na pate pata anaham. Pate pata ano na pate pata anaham. Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate pat. Okay, that's the meter you have to say. Otherwise, it will not. Everybody has to be saying on the same meter. Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata pata pate pata ano na pate pata anakham.
Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata
It sounded very good actually. Because some people forgot that the A had one more meter. So if you miss that 1 meter, then you are one step behind the other person. Okay, one more time. Brahmanaspate pate brahmano
brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate pata ano na pate pata anaham.
Very good. One more time.
Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate pata ano na pate pata anaham.
Very good. Next one. Yes, sir.
The Sanskrit text seems to have some offset. The strokes and also the swaram, it seems to be displaced by a little bit. So instead of pate, it's written like peta.
Which text you are following, Kana?
The Sanskrit printout
From where?
from our group's mail.
Really? Doesn't look like what? Really? Show it to me. Really? Is that discordant? Which? Brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata. Correct, Kana? Everything is. See what happens? Huh?
Must be the printer that I took. It seemed to have displaced everything.
Maybe the upper that time.
Acha, okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. We're supposed to listen and learn. Okay, next one. What are the next 3 words? Ana Srinvan. So when it is Up it is no. When it is coming back it is na, right? Ano na ana sranvan. Here there is that a has to have two matras, right? Ano na ana sranvan. Got it? This is very nice. It's like a what do they call it? Palindrome. Huh?
Palindrome.
Palindrome, yeah. Something like that. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan ana sranvan. One more. Sranvan sranvan ana sranvan. Every time A is not two matras, only when it is, yeah. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Yes, Vijay.
The second time it is Chrunvan, right?
Shru, yeah, because, yeah. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Two times everybody, yeah, please. Next three.
This one, can you explain how the 1, 2, 3 comes in this line?
Ano na 1, 2, 2. Ano na a. Right? That's 1, 2, 2, 1. Ano na a. Ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan na ana sranvan. Right? Ano a no na a na sranvan sranvan na a na sranvan. Okay, got it? So when you are saying which part you have to extend the matra, you have to know. Sometimes A is not two matras, so only certain times it is two matras. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Got it? Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. One more time I will say. You listen, and watch my fingers so you will know what is 1, 2, 2, 1. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Everybody should say. What, Balaji? You are not saying. Keeping quiet. Okay, next, I can't hear you. That's why, yeah. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Ano na ana sranvan sranvan na ana sranvan. Next three, yeah, yes sir.
This last time you don't have double R, right? Because you said it's not there always.
Yeah, last time when you say 3, 2, 1,
right?
1, 2, 3, there it is 2 times A. Because the 1, 2, 3 is ana sranvan.
Correct.
Right?
Before the 3, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
That 3, 2, 1 that A is not there, it's there in double na.
Shrunvan na a, that is 3 to 1.
That's what.
Shrunvan na, that na is 2. Shrunvan na a, that is 3 to 1, right?
Correct. So we don't say double A there, right?
You
From 3 to 1, 1 to 3, that where the 1
first
and 1
is
is there, we don't say
no,
double
you
one.
say 2 times, right? If it is starting with a has to be repeated 2 times.
Yes.
1 2 2 1. 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 1 2 3. So the a has to be said as 2 matras there. Ano na ana Shrunvan na ana Shrunvan. See, for this live webcast it is very useful. It will be impossible to understand all this if you are not watching the person. Huh? So hopefully everybody is utilizing the live webcast, because to learn Khanam without paying attention to how the matras are coming is difficult. Ano na ana Shrunvan na ana Shrunvan. Next 3. Na Shrunvan Utibhihi. Utibhihi. No, not Nutibhihi. Nuti means in Telugu something very deep well is called Nuti. Don't fall into that. Huh? Na Shrunvan Nutibhihi. Na Shrunvan Utibhihi. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Nutibhi. Notibhi Shrunvan Notibhihi. Okay, 1 2 2 1. Na Shrunvan no. No. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. That is 1 2 2 1 1 2 3. That's what I said. Okay. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Very good. You see, it's a good sign that you are continuing. That's the way it should. It's unstoppable. Once you get into the Khanam, it is unstoppable. Na is down. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhi Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Got last, huh? Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhi Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Otherwise it's difficult to, because it's short letters, it's difficult to do one, not like Jeshtarajam Brahmanam. Then there is a lot of, here na Shrunvan Notibhihi, it flows. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhi Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Because if he, U is coming, it becomes Ru. Ha plus U becomes Ru. Okay? Shrunvan Notibhihi, and if you are saying U after that, it becomes Rutibhihi. Okay? So that's, so when you are saying the 3 to 1, that the coming down, it should be Rutibhi. Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Yes, sir.
There is a dash between Bhi and Ru.
Yeah.
Do we have to do any special pause or
No, don't do any tricks. Just go with the flow. Na Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhi Shrunvan no na Shrunvan Notibhihi. Na Shrunvan no na
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः न शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः.
One more time. Na is down. Na shrinvan shrinvanno na shrinvannotiभिः ऊतिभिः shrinvanno na shrinvannotiभिः. Na shrinvan shrinvanno na shrinvannotiभिः ऊतिभिः shrinvanno na shrinvannotiभिः. Next one is
Shrinvan Nutibis Sida.
Shrinvan Nutibis Sida. Correct. Shrinvan Nutibis Rotibis Shrinvan.
शृण्वन् नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन्
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदा.
शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदा.
So utibhi, sida plus utibhi becomes sidotibhi. So you need to know when they are combining. So sida plus utibhi becomes sidotibhi. So that's why when you are coming down, sidotibhi shranvan shranvan notibhi sida. So I will do the 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदा.
शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदा.
Not everybody is chanting. Some people are listening. Don't be on the fence. Jump into the game. No side walking. It's okay, you can do it. You tell your children the same. You tell your children, no? It's okay, you can do it. You have to say it to yourself now. Or look at him, he will say it to you. शृण्वन्नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदा.
शृण्वन् नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदा. शृण्वन् नोतिभिः ऊतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदा.
We are getting almost one more line, we are done. Very happy ending. Next one is, next three are Utibhi Sida Sadhanam. See now, that's what I was saying. Word by word you are peeling into the mantra. That's the deeper and deeper contemplation. Utibhi Sida Sadhanagum. ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनम्.
ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनम्.
One more time.
ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनम्.
One more time.
ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनम्.
One more time.
ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः रोतिभिः
only place where you are a little bit sada gum, right? Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sada gum, right? Sada gum roti bhi. Okay? I'll say it one more time and listen to it. Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sada gum sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam.
Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam. Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam.
That sadhanagum is a little bit. Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanagum. Right? One more time.
Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanagum sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam. Oti bhi sida sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanagum sidoti bhi roti bhi sida sadanam.
Oti bhir jyoti bhi. Okay? Oti bhir jyoti bhi. Oti bhir jyoti bhi.
Oti bhi jyoti
Jyoti bhi. Like we are going in the path. You have to. Oti bhir jyoti bhi.
Oti bhi jyoti bhi.
Sida sadanagum sida sadanam sadanamiti sadanam.
Sida sadanagum sida sadanam sadanamiti sadanam.
Sida sadanagum sida sadanagum sida sadanam. That's 1 2 2 1 1 2. That's what he's saying. Okay?
Sida sadanagum sida sadanam. Sida sadanagum sida sadanam.
Sadanamiti sadanam.
Sadanamiti sadanam. Sadanamiti sadanam.
How many want to volunteer for 5 more minutes? So we are all okay? Sorry. Let's go through Jyeshtharajam.
Jyeshtharajam brahmanam Jyeshtharajam brahmanam brahmano Jyeshtharajam brahmanah Jyeshtharajamiti सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीद ऊतिभिः सीद सीदोतिभिः ऊतिभिः सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः ऊतिभिः सीद साधनम् सीद साधनगुं साधनगुं सीद सीद साधनम् साधनमिति साधनम्.
Sairam. Is SLN online? SLN Sairam? Okay, 1 second. I have to give you access. 1 second. SLN, are you online? Can you hear us? Okay, so today evening we have the satsang at Himan's place. Maybe Himan, you can say a few words what the program is. You have no idea. That's the Enama Shekhar. Oh, sorry. Somebody is talking about sambar. It's already breakfast time, so in Italy they forgot sambar, so they were saying about sambar on the class. So, so today evening at 6 o'clock we'll have the satsang, and at Himavan's place. Most of you must have already received the email. So we will start at 6 o'clock with a few bhajans and chanting, and then sharing Anubhuti, Anubhava, and the grace of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. So if you have any questions about the rest of it, please ask Himan, which he will refer to Swami. Okay, so please join, and next week we will have class as usual, okay, and the week after as well. So let's continue until he puts the brakes on it. So I would like all of us to chant the whole Ganapatam together, and then meditate on it the whole week. Make sure that there are no misalignments. It's such an incredible experience to hear so many people chanting Ganapatam, right? Even you don't even have to say it. It is such. And then hopefully Swami's love and grace, we will have the Saraswati Ganapatam, Prano Devi Saraswati. After that we will do Gayatri Ganapatam. Tat Savitur Savitur Tat Tat Savitur Varenyam Varenyam Savitur Tat Tat Savitur Varenyam. Gayatri Ganapatam. Those are the three. After that we will see how he leads us to the next step. Okay. Gananam Ganapati Havamahe Kavim Kavigum Havamahe Ganapati Havamahe Kavim Sairam, we are going in a meter. So when that meter is going, there are places where you need to pass so that everybody. So for example, the meter when you are going, right? Gananam tva tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim ganapatim tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim. So that's one cycle. So after each cycle, take a little bit pause. So that what happens is, you know that you are going to the next cycle. Otherwise, if you are reading the book and chanting, you keep going like an ever-ready battery, and the others are just following you. So make sure that you are going, pausing at each cycle. How do you know you completed a cycle? Only when you count. And this counting helps you with the meter also. Tva ganapatim ganapatim tva tva ganapati gum havamage havamage ganapatim tva tva ganapati gum havamage. Cycle over. Ganapati gum havamage havamage ganapatim ganapati gum havamage kavim kavigum havamage ganapatim ganapati gum havamage kavim. Next cycle. Ganapati miti ganapatim. See, it sounds like a song, not even a
They have
chant.
put a, in the book actually.
Huh?
At the end of every cycle, they have put a mark.
End of each cycle there is a, yeah, that means full stop. Pause. Okay. Okay. One more time. Gananam tva tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim ganapatim tva gananam gananam tva ganapatim tva ganapatim ganapatim tva tva ganapati gum havamahe havamahe ganapatim tva tva ganapati gum havamahe ganapati gum havamahe havamahe ganapatim ganapati gum havamahe kavim kavigum havamahe ganapatim ganapati gum havamahe kavim ganapati miti ganapatim havamahe kavim kavigum havamahe havamahe kavim kavinam kavinam kavigum havamahe havamahe kavim kavinam kavim kavinam kavinam kavim kavim kavinam upamashravastamam upamashravastamam kavinam kavim kavim kavinam upamashravastamam kavinam upamashravastamam upamashravastamam kavinam kavinam upamashravastamam 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 Jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmanam Jeshtarajam Jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmano brahmano brahmanam Jeshtarajam Jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmanah Jeshtarajamidi Jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmano brahmano brahmanam brahmanam brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanam brahmanam brahmanaspate brahmanaspate pate brahmano brahmanaspata pate brahmano brahmanaspata pada pate pada ano nahapate pada anaham ano naham sranvan sranvan naham sranvan na sranvan
दिभिः शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः 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 सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीद ओतिभिः सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनम् ओतिभिर्ज्योतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीद साधनम् साधनमिति साधनम् शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः परमं पवित्रं महाकालविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि विभूति pouring forth in brilliant stream display of vibhuti. So auspicious is its smile, it grants liberation. Baba's vibhuti, his power protects me. Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram.
Jai Jai 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 Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Jai Jai Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Jai Jai Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Samasta lokaः sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaः sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaः sukhino bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Prithvi Shanta, Sagnina Shanta, Sami Shanta, Shuchagum Shamayatu. Antarikshagum Shantam, Tadvayuna Shantam, Tadme Shantam, Shuchagum Shamayatu. Jau Shanta, Sadichyena Shanta, Sami Shanta, Shuchagum Shamayatu. Shantirantarikshagum Shantirjau Shantirdija Shantiravantardisha Shantiragni Shantirvayu Shantiraditya Shantichandrama Shantirnakshatrani Shantirapa Shantiroshadaya Shantirvanaspadaya Shantirjau Shantiraja Shantirashva Shantipurusha Shantibrahma Shantibrahmana Shantireva Shantireva Shantihi Tayahagum